My name is Victor. I'm from TextLink team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to simply integrate webhooks to trigger certain events on mail.com once you receive messages on your TextLink device. So this is going to be a pretty simple tutorial, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process. So let's start now. Let's delete this and start from scratch. What you want to do, first you want to create a webhook. You want to create a custom webhook and call it, I don't know, let's call it TextLink test 2. We're not going to put any IP restrictions for now, and you can just save this. Now, what you want to do is copy the address to clipboard, go to your TextLink account, and I already did this, but you just paste the address that you have copied for the endpoint for received messages. Now, uh, place something for secret, doesn't matter. Like in this case, it probably won't matter since this URL isn't public, but we use this to so that you're able to actually know that it's us calling that trigger. Let's do like test 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter, or you can just like generate something. So now that you have done this, you go to save. Yeah, saved, and now test webhooks. Great, it's working. Now, when you go back to make.com, you can see successfully determined. Amazing. Now we save this, and now let's add some action. For example, what I did is Google Sheet creation. Now, what you want to do is just let's you create spreadsheet, yeah, and now let's call it something from let's see like let's use this secret that we have set, for example, and let's use I don't know text some random name, doesn't really matter. Now you just click OK. You do this. I like to click this so it's easier for me to see when it's done, and you do run once. Okay, now it's running. So what you want to do is go back to your TextLink dashboard and run test webhooks again. Amazing, working. And now, as you can see, make it's done. And when we go to our Google Sheets, you can see that the new sheet has actually been created, as you can see here. So yeah, this is a pretty simple integration of TextLink message receive capability on your make.com account. So yeah, if you want to send and receive messages for the lowest rates on the market without any restrictions, then TextLink is for you. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you soon. Bye.